This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Knockout Brawl Stars. Focus immediately on understanding the map layout and potential enemy spawns from the start. Always prioritize staying alive during the first few seconds, gathering power cubes safely as they appear. Your initial movements and positioning set the crucial tone for the entire match. Aim to avoid early engagements and secure a slight advantage. Remember, survival is key in the opening phase. Choosing the right brawler is critical for success in Knockout. Consider your team's overall composition and the map's specific features. For example, a thrower might excel on a map with many walls, while a fast assassin can flank effectively. Aim for a balanced team with at least one long-range damage dealer and one brawler who can absorb some damage. Think about how each brawler contributes to your team's overall strategy before starting the match. During the mid-game, maintaining map control becomes incredibly important. Work with your two teammates to push forward and secure key areas, especially the center. Use cover intelligently to block enemy fire and protect yourself while reloading. Always be aware of enemy positions and try to predict their movements, creating opportunities for coordinated attacks. Teamwork in these moments can lead to a significant advantage. As the game progresses, the safe zone shrinks, forcing more direct confrontations. Focus your damage on one enemy at a time to quickly eliminate them, creating a 3 versus 2 or even a 3 versus 1 advantage. Utilize your super abilities strategically for high-impact plays, like finishing off low-health opponents or escaping dangerous situations. Patience and precise aiming are your best allies in these intense final moments of the round.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.